Hi guys, John here from FX Diamond Signals, back with the second part. If you haven't watched the first part, then please do before you watch this one. And we'll go straight into the charts and look for some signals. Okay, so we've already looked at the Australia dollar CAD. The next chart has given us a weak sell signal. Because it's near the monthly support, I would be expecting that to bounce up rather than continue to sell. So we'll leave that one. Next one, again, a sell signal. So with the candle formation. And so we continue to if we put an open price down here, what's happened is there's been a couple of dojis and a dragonfly doji. They're showing the bulls haven't got any strength, so there could be continued weakness there. So I would like to put an open price using this candle, and the low is 5.5812, so I'd make that an open price of 5.5802 and a stop loss of 5.6393. 5.6393, and that should give us the trade that we want, because there is weakness there. That could now become resistance, support to resistance. Okay, moving on. No, so I'm just going to flick through these charts. Take a look at the signals that are on there, and then take a look at the candle formation. So another signal here, which is showing again weakness to the Australian dollar, and that's what I like to see across the board. So very similar to the last pair we saw. Okay, this open price down here, stop loss up here. You can see this weakness. We'd be expecting this price to come down. Okay. So an open price of 0.7191. 0.7191 is your open price, and your stop loss would be 0.7275. 0.7275. Next pair. Oh, just go back to that. Sorry, there's just noticed the doji at the top there, so that might be worth keeping an eye on your trades if you trade the CAD CHF. JPY, what we got? No. Nothing like that one. And a signal on that. So we got a signal on that, and the candle formation is also telling us of the weakness. So that would have been an open price there and a stop loss there, and that would have worked out very nicely. Another sell signal, and candle formation also gave us confirmation. And again, we've seen the bearish there. Moving on to the euro, which has been good last week for FX Diamond investment clients particularly. Some big bearish moves, which gave us that bit of volatility we've been looking for in the market. It's been quite flat of late and difficult to trade. Nice, again, that was a nice sell signal just here. And we didn't get the big bearish move until another couple of candles, so it gives you plenty of time. So getting these daily alerts gives you plenty of time to put that sell in. That would have been down here, and you would have taken it down and maybe even still be in the trade. Maybe that's still showing weakness there. So that would have given you, a nice bit of a profit in your account. Okay, I like to go with profit rather than pips. So many services offer lots of pips and etc. But it's the profit in your account that matters. Right. No signals there. That would have been another nice sell signal that was generated, and the candle formation. So it's confirmation of those two things, those two pairs, which is always good. Another sell signal. So again, showing confirmation that the euro is weak and something is going to move in the direction that we anticipate it to, which it did. Sometimes I'm flying in the face of the other analysts on the marketplace, and who are all saying it's going up, or it's going down, and I'm going in the opposite direction, and I'm just going my signals, and my signals are, generally correct. Okay, this one. So, see, again, that was a signal, and the candle formation told us, but we'd already got this big move down. But this signal did bear out. So not one I would have done, because we already had the big move down, but could have still got a few pips out of it. So always worth taking note of. And similar with this one as well. So another signal, say, yeah, we're going down. All showing weakness in the euro. So there's one euro pair that you're trading, and you think, well, will it go? I just want a bit more confirmation. Take a look at the other pairs in that. Take a look at the other euro pairs, and or whichever currency it is, and see what's happening. There's nothing here. That again was a signal. So yeah, that's going down. Just moving along. And another signal. Okay, so it's all there. The clues are there in the candles. You just need to be able to read them, and you'll get it. with the extra signal that's generated on my chart and the candle confirmation, I can then get a clearer picture. That's a nice doji at the top there. Signal's not too far away, bearish signal, so worth taking note of. So you might want to drop down to the 4 hour there and just put an open price down here somewhere at 1.4927. Your stop loss just up top here, and just see what goes. See if it activates. So you've got the signal to say that it's going to. So we'll look at the weakness in the pound there. Does that bear out? That was another signal that came up. There's another signal here, so it certainly does look like there's some weakness in the pound, just like there was weakness in the euro last week. We're starting to see some weakness in the pound here with these signals. So an open price down here. 184.71. Your stop loss just at the top of the candle, top of this little doji, and that should hopefully work out. Right, so I'll send an email confirmation of these signals. There's another nice doji at the top there, followed by a sell signal. So that's one worth looking at, but also again, it's that pound weakness. So all very interesting. Okay, moving on. That would have been a sell signal. Quick look at these. Okay, New Zealand CAD there. Interesting. Nothing along here. Okay, into the Singapore dollar. Into dollar now. Just looking for these signals. There. And dollar certainly shows some strength. No. Nothing there, and down there, and nothing there. Okay, right. So let's wrap it up there. Hope that's given you a little clearer picture to next week's charts. Thank you for listening, and I'll send those signals by email just as confirmation. Thanks again. Take care. Good trading.